Hello, my name is Keaton Dale Small, and for my personal project, the drum roll, I decided to make computers out of reusable parts.
You may be wondering how I got here, making computers out of reusable and donated parts. And that is simple. It's because of my mom giving me her old PC, which she used to work on a couple of years ago, which sparked my interest in making my own. I decided I wanted my personal project to be based around technical side of computers. So I wanted to build my own gaming computer, which I've always wanted. But I realized that I have zero technical skills or knowledgeable skills to build it. And parts are expensive and fragile, and it's too risky to build with no experience whatsoever. So I came up with the idea of getting some practice first, where I will get donate old computers that I can rebuild and make into better ones that I can then build up my technical and knowledgeable skills, donate the computers, so that makes me a good person for helping out others. This leads into my goal. The main goal I had for my personal project was to build two functioning computers from reusable, donated parts with the ability to use Wi-Fi and Word. This would lead to my personal goal, which would to gain experience along with necessary skills and technological and knowledge, which leads into my global context, which is a double trouble: scientific and technological innovation, and globalization and sustainability. Building computers is scientific and technological innovation, while using spare and donated parts is globalization and sustainability, which is basically recycling and donating, which leads to the product challenges that I faced. The key details to this is that I've never built a computer in my life, nor seen it be created, meaning I have no knowledge prior of the parts names, meaning I have to rebuild this up from the start or ground up. The second key detail is that the parts are all reusable and donated, meaning that it will be difficult to work with them since they're old and they may not work properly. Now, the obstacles that I face. The problem one is that the order in which you should take the parts out is different for each computer simply because of how they're set up. And because of this setup, you can't do a simple search to find that out. The second problem is crossing hardware. This is a problem when some hardware just won't work with each other, meaning they don't compat. Now, problem three is I'm unaware what parts work and what don't, so it requires a lot of trial and error to figure these pieces out. Now, and for finally, how does a product fulfills the goal that I set for myself? Well, I've completed two working computers that work on Wi-Fi and a document, along with I built the necessary skills to build my own gaming computer, and has led myself to get the parts I need, even advanced knowledge on overclocking. Thank you all very much for watching my personal project video, and I'm so happy to all the people who have donated uh, computer parts to me so I can make my personal project a reality. And that's all, and hope you have a great evening and good night.